Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here going over Math Practice Test 5 from the official College Board Study Guide, question number 6 on the calculator section. So number 6, it says it's an online bookstore sells novels and magazines. Each novel sells for $4 and each magazine sells for $1. If Sadie purchased a total of 11 novels and magazines that have a combined selling price of $20, how many novels did she purchase? Well, the math teacher in me says I could certainly set up a system of equations here. I could say that m plus n equals 11, and I could say that 4n plus 1m equals 20. So you certainly could do that. It's not a bad way to solve this, and then solve for n. What I chose to do, though, is I actually looked at this and I said, well, I'm going to just use the answers. I've got my calculator handy. So what I did was I said, okay, if there were 2 novels, let's look at 2 first, okay? If there were 2 novels and novels were $4, that means that it was $8, okay? And I know I could spend $20 because that was how much she spent. That means that this one would have to be $12. That means that she would have had to have sold 12 magazines. Well, there was only a total of 11, so that wouldn't work. So I got rid of A. So then I went on to B. Okay, so if there were 3, she sold 3 novels. Then 3 times 4 gives me 12, which meant that she would have had to have bought 8 magazines, which works, right? 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's a total of 11. And so that would give me $20. And so my answer would be 3. And that's just a nice, easy approach of plugging in the numbers. But again, you certainly could write a system and use either substitution or elimination to solve it because there are 2 unknowns, m and n. Remember, as a reminder, when you do a system, first one usually relates to the total number of items you have, in this case, the 11 novels, and then the other one related to the value of those items. So the $4 for the novel and the $1 for the magazines to equal a total of $20. All right, guys, hopefully that was helpful and that you get used to plugging in answers to help you when you can. Have a great day.